Show Notion tasks Google Calendar. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to the Notion website. On the top right corner, click Login. Choose to continue with Google, Apple, Microsoft, passkey, or enter your email. Next, you'll arrive at the Create Profile page. Upload your profile photo, enter your name, and set a password. Continue through the setup steps, and when you reach the Install App section, you can choose to install or skip. Now, you're in the main Notion dashboard. In the top left, you can click your profile. Go to Settings. You will see many menus in this settings. Then find Connections on the left panel. Click Browse Connections in Gallery. Scroll down and find 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗀𝘀. Click Learn More, then continue with Google and follow the steps. Now, connect your Notion account. On the verification page, click Select Pages and Allow Access. Once both accounts are connected, return to Notion. Go to your workspace, click the plus button, choose Empty Page, and name it Calendar. Insert the Calendar component and click Manage in Calendar. Google Calendar now integrated directly into Notion.